Hey, it's Mike and today I want to talk about GameStop. It trades on the NYC under symbol GME. GameStop took a big fall yesterday, down over 8%. Moved up a little bit after hours, but now it's sitting at 1737. If you just start following the stock, this looks pretty ugly and pretty bad. However, if you look over the past month, the stock has done actually pretty well. It went from 16 all the way down to 12 and then moved all the way up over $20 a share and has moved back down. Now, I think one of the reasons why GameStop is moving back down is that you have the post PS5 launch and then you have the post Christmas fourth quarter where usually like a video game seller is going to have a lot of business. So now in the fourth quarter, just nothing is going to be going on with GameStop right now. So don't expect this stock to move a lot in the first quarter. However, in the long term, I do believe GameStop is one of the best stocks that you can own. And that's because Ryan Cohen, the founder of Chewy.com, has a 13.3% stake in the company. Senvest has a 5.5 stake investment in the company, and the company is transitioning from being based on its 5,500 retail stores to be more of an e-commerce focused company. And I think what Ryan Cohen's sort of heading that transition, this company is going to do well. So for people who don't know, Ryan Cohen's the founder of Chewy.com. This is a guy who took a company, e-commerce company, started from scratch and turned it into a $30 billion company. Right now, GameStop is valued at $1.2 billion, and I predict that by the end of the decade, GameStop will be worth $30 billion. So that's like a 26, 27x from its current level. But like I said in the first quarter, don't expect a lot of movement from GameStop. There's no reason really for it to move. Now it's past the fourth quarter and past the PS5 launch. However, like I said, over the long term, GameStop is going to be one of the best stocks that you can own over the decade because it's going to be. It's also they're also closing 1,000 of their retail stores. That's going to help save them some money as they focus on e-commerce. And also, the video game industry right now is larger than the movie and the sports industry combined, and it's going to continue to grow. And ARK Invest did a video on the gaming industry saying that it will double over the next 2 to 3 years to become a $240 billion industry. And GameStop is one of the most recognizable brands when it comes to selling games and systems. Now, there is some talk as whether GameStop is going to be in business or not, and I think that's really based on the fact that they were dependent on all their physical stores, and during the pandemic situation, no one was, there wasn't a lot of foot traffic out these stores. But like I said, the company shifting towards e-commerce should save the company, allow it to thrive as gaming continues to explode in popularity around the world. So definitely check out GameStop. Find an opportunity to accumulate when you can get these good dips in the price, but have a long-term perspective because this stock is very choppy. You do get a lot of ups and downs in it, but like I said, I do think it's going to be one of the great performing stocks over the next decade. So definitely check it out. Again, GameStop trades on the NYC under the symbol GME. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.